Creating a new project. Once you log into the system, you simply click on Create a Project. A project is a valid address in the system in the US or Canada. Other places in the world also can be found, but the data is not as accurate as we wish to be. You select the address. It will point to the location with the red dot. If this is the address that you like, you simply click on Create a Project after you name it. So we call this James Property, whatever you want to name it, and create a project. You confirm that's the address. Once you create the address, one credit is used for this address, and that's not reversible. Create. And basically what it will do, it will start locating information for this address, as you see in this progress bar. And as the progress continues, the project will be created based on the information that it has either collected or generated using its AI engine. Once the project is created, then you can start looking into the project, editing site plan, and additional information.